Here's part 3 of unboxing mystery Lego Ninjago figures. The next one is, ooh, we got Mr. E. That's a lot of pieces. Got some at the back. Lost the head. Goodness, there's a lot of pieces. Okay, so let's start building Mr. E. Here we have Mr. E. Now we can actually make another one, but this one will be the one with the Oni mask, which is with the Mask of Vengeance. This red one. It's a bit difficult to put in. There you go. Okay, now we can make this one the other half of Mr. E. It's kinda hard to put all of these in once. So much hands. If you recall for the previous videos, I'm having difficult times trying to put the arms with these shoulder pads. Putting arms in here is difficult with the shoulder pads in place. Anyways, one of the arms, other arm, and kinda need the helmet for this. So in order to do this one, we need to actually disassemble Mr. E. So we're gonna be placing it like this. Mr. E is gonna have plus another pair of arms. It's actually kind of weird seeing this Mr. E. I'm literally thinking of Garmadon right now. And put the head in. And final piece, the mask. There we have Mr. E with the Mask of Vengeance, which is a power-up version. So this is already part 3. Come back for the others for part 4. So far we have Iron Baron, Skull Sorcerer, and Mr. E. Come back for the next video. Bye.